catalytic converter price is the sort of thing you never care about until yours gets stolen. Then you get that call from the mechanic and your jaw drops. The national average for a replacement? Right around $1,400. And that doesn't even count your stress. Why are these things so expensive? Inside that hunk of metal are precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium. Tiny amounts, but on the open market, those metals can fetch up to $17,000 an ounce. It's like carrying a jewelry store under your car. So here's the pain point. Thieves absolutely love catalytic converters. Some can cut one off your car in less than 2 minutes with a battery-powered saw. Your car is silent, parked on the street, and boom, you wake up to a bill bigger than your rent. But okay, how do you even know if yours needs to be replaced and what affects the price? Number 1 trick. Look up your car's make, model, and year. Price can swing hundreds of dollars depending on whether you're driving a Toyota Prius or a Ford F-150. There are usually 2 options when you need a new cat: OEM, original equipment manufacturer, or aftermarket. OEM can cost up to 50% more. Most people just want their car to work again, but there are emissions regulations if you live in a place like Portland. That limits your options. Supply and demand is the other big driver. If the price of rhodium spikes, converter prices follow. Rhodium went from $650 an ounce in 2016 to $28,000 in 2021. Replacement costs during that period shot up almost 200%. It's all cyclical. Pro tip: if you're shopping prices, tab over to eBay and look at what used converters go for, even busted ones. Some are selling for more than the cost of a new one because recyclers want that metal. It's a weird market. Insurance can be your friend or your nemesis. Comprehensive policies might cover theft, but there's always a deductible, and then your rates jump. About 96,000 converter theft claims were filed in 2021 alone, so you're definitely not alone if this happens. A lot of folks ask if you can just install a cheap one from Amazon. That technically works, but you risk check engine lights, failing emissions tests, and voiding warranties. Sometimes you spend $300 to save money, then fail your DEQ test and have to start over. That's a facepalm moment. Shops will sometimes mark up part prices by 20 to 30% over what you see online, especially if you call for quotes. That's paying for convenience. If you don't mind getting your hands dirty, you can buy the part and ask a local mechanic to install it for labor only. Security tip: spend $50 on a catalytic converter shield, especially if you park on the street. Downtown areas are converter theft central. I use a cat clamp, which has actually saved me in Portland. Not bulletproof, but like locking your bike. It helps. It's not exactly a glamorous car part, but with the right info, you can save hundreds or avoid paying thousands. The key is to be proactive, know your options, and keep an eye on those precious metal markets. It's a wild world under your car.